Now that we know how to earn money via video monetization, right? We've learned how to upload videos and ensure they're monetized. So depending on the views we get, that's how much we'll earn, right? That's video monetization. Now another feature of Dailymotion in terms of earning money is that it allows you to embed videos in websites, right? In your website. So if you have a verified website, you can embed videos offered by Dailymotion, or you can embed your own videos that you are uploading here in order to earn money. And that's where playlist is important, because you can actually create playlists of videos that you'd like to embed in the websites, right? So that's why I'll show you how to create a playlist. So for the moment, just as an example, I have created a playlist and it's called testing. That's the thumbnail of the video that I have there at the moment. So it's got one video, that's why it's only showing a thumbnail of that video there. It is accessible by the general public, and this symbol here with the pencil lets you edit this playlist. Now if I had to create a new playlist, I would select create playlist from there. So Dailymotion is now trying to upload my playlist. As you can see here, it says your playlist. So this is where I'll have all my playlists saved. And straight away it does give me an option to create another playlist, or I can use this playlist here. So if I had to create a new playlist, I would select create a playlist, and it'll give me the option to name it. So this time I'll say testing 2, and I would select create. Now it has created another playlist here, testing 2, and it's got 0 videos in the list at the moment. So if I wanted to add videos to this playlist here, I would just click on the icon. Okay, no videos in this playlist. Go to explore. So the good thing is you do not have to use your videos. You can actually go and explore videos that are on Dailymotion, right? So okay, let's just say if I wanted to add this video here to my new playlist. And remember, this is the playlist that you can use when you are embedding the Dailymotion widget in your website. So I have selected this channel, and let's say I would like to embed this video here. So I'll first of all select the video so it can start playing. And you'll notice there are some options here. This one here lets you add a video to your playlist, right? So that video is playing now. If I had to add it to my playlist, I would select that there, and I can actually create another playlist for this video, or I can select from the existing playlist. So I'm going to add it to testing 2, right? Okay, now it says video added to playlist. So that video is added to my playlist. Okay, there you go. So it's got testing 2, right? That's the new playlist I had created, and that's the video in the playlist. So that's how you can create and add videos to your playlist, right? If I had to edit this playlist, I would select that option there, which is the symbol of a pencil, and the exact playlist will open, and I can edit the playlist. So that's the playlist, testing 2, updated 2 minutes ago. I've got one video in there. That's the video. If I select edit, right, it lets me remove the video by selecting the cross sign there, or the X sign, sorry, not cross, X there. And it also lets me change the name here, right? These things are by default. That's the channel name that I'm using for this example video. And you can also delete this playlist, right, if you select this option here. Let's try and delete it. So let's delete it. Are you sure you want to delete the playlist? Delete playlist. So there you go, your playlist. Now I only have one playlist, testing, right? So that's how you can create playlists or delete them or edit them, and that's how you can add videos to your playlist. Again, this is important because if you are planning to embed the Dailymotion widget in your website, you can use playlists and actually select the videos that you would like to be offered through Dailymotion on your website, right? So that's very handy because you are actually choosing the videos that will display instead of letting Dailymotion randomly select videos for you.